Hi everyone, I'm Vicki with Avante-Avenue, and this is just a really short video to show you how I'm going to end and sell similar some older listings to refresh them. I'm in the Seller Hub under Active Listings. I'm going to scroll down, and what I'm looking for today is my oldest listings. Do you see where I have start date? If you don't have start date in your columns, go to Customize Table, and that's where you can choose all the things that you want to see. You can see here that I have my custom label SKU. That's typically where I store my item number format, etc., etc. I'm not going to go through all of this, but this is where you check what you want to see in your little spreadsheet, your columns. You can even go over here to the Arrange column on the right, and you can choose the order of where you want something to be. I'm going to put it back. All right, so I'm going to cancel out of here. So I have a start date here, and I'm going to click on this. And it is going to have to scroll back down. I went back to the top. It's going to take me back to my oldest date. Now, this is what you have to be careful of when you end and sell similar. If you have sold some of the quantities, do you see here in these columns where initial quantity I had 6, available to quantity 5? Well, I'm not going to end that listing because I'm not 100% convinced that it will not default back to the original quantity. In other words, if I have sold some items out of a quantity listing or a listing with variations, I do not end and sell similar on those items. What I am going to do is check this far left box, and I have this set up for 50 showing per page over here on the right. I'm on page 1. I'm going to uncheck anything that I don't want to end and sell similar, like these belt buckles. I've sold some of them, maybe some of the plates, some of the stockings, holders, anything that I'm not comfortable with ending and selling similar because I don't trust that eBay will put the current quantity, not the original quantity. And again, you find that between your initial quantity and your available quantity if you have these boxes showing in your columns. So I'm just going to scroll down through here. Even though some of these are ending in an hour, they're older listings. I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down through here. I know I'm going too fast for you here, but all right. So this is a listing with variations. I haven't sold any at 1616, but still I'm going to uncheck that. And some of this is my handmade jewelry. Do you know I have handmade jewelry on eBay? I do. I really do. And let's see, just quickly going through here. You know, obviously I can spot check it faster than what you can because I know my inventory. All right, I'm to the bottom. I think I've got everything out of the 50 that I want to end and sell similar. I scroll back up and choose Actions, End Listings. I'm not deleting, I'm simply ending the listings. I have 38 listings that I've chosen, and you can double check it here and you can cancel out if you need to. If you think you've grabbed something you didn't want to include, you can cancel here and start over. I'm good. I'm going to end it. Now, where did those listings go? Under listings, go to unsold. How many did I end? 38. Why do I have 39 here? Well, because I have one here that I ended for another reason. So I'm going to go back up to this part here, and I'm going to check all of these boxes because it's easier to do that than individually, but I'm going to uncheck the one that I don't want to relist. Scroll back up to the top again or hit that arrow. Okay, so what do I want to do with this? I want to sell similar, not relist. That doesn't refresh the listing. All that does is relist it, but it keeps the same original identifying number. You know, every listing has a number. So I'm going to sell similar. That's what this video is about, sell similar. Now this is where it can get tricky. Do you see all these red exclamation points? That's telling me that I have some item specifics I have to clean up. Yes, I do, before I can relist these. I have to do it, and I have to do it now. So I'm going to scroll down through here. Do you see the red asterisk? It's for these fish clip earrings. I scroll all the way to the right, and I know it's the item specific. See, it says 0 completed. I don't believe that to be true, but what can I say? So in item specifics, they want to know a style or dangle drop. Done. But there's more things. Brand, these are unbranded. And type, why do I have to say it's an earring eBay when it's already in the earring category? But that's how it works. Let's go back, see if that cleared out. Not yet. Why is that? Go back over. Something didn't take here. The type. I chose earrings. Oh, maybe I didn't hit done. Okay. Exclamation point is gone. Now this one here, I'm taking a look at the title. It is a necklace with pendant. Come over to the right. It's really tricky, you know, scrolling over sometimes. Style, I'll just do pendant, even though it's a necklace with pendant. Brand, unbranded, type, necklace, done. There, 3 completed and the little red corner disappeared. So 2 down, how many more to go? Do I have any more? Well, it says I still have 1. If you look up here, it says I have 1 more to do. The yellow exclamation point is recommended. I do not mess with recommended. Choose submit and done. So 2 things I want to do here. Go to listings and go to active, and let's make sure that they're actually listed. Now this time, instead of sorting by start date, I'm going to sort by time left. I'm looking for 30 plus days on that sort. It jumps to the top. You have to come back down. All right, this is what I'm looking for. 30 days, 23 hours, and 59 minutes. And just scroll down through here and make sure that you've got 30 some that say that. I'm scrolling down looking at the right hand column. And the truth is, I know if I see one, they're all listed. But you can check it if you want. All right, let's go back to the top. We know they're listed. Go to listings, unsold. Why are we going back to unsold? Because if you do not go back to unsold, they're going to sit there. And you could someday, when you're ending and selling similar, accidentally relist them. Yep, it happens. Even though they should not pick up duplicates or you should be flagged that it's a duplicate, it can happen. So now that I know they're all listed, I click this box. And which one did I not want to relist? This last one. And then go back up. And now is the time that I'm going to go under actions and delete these, because I know 100% they're relisted. So I'm deleting 38 items. You can't go back once you delete. Let's jump over to our store, Avante-Avenue, and you will see, instead of best match, I'm going to sort by newly listed. And these are the items that I just relisted. See some of these earrings. And yeah, I just ended and did sell similar and refresh these listings, and I'm trying to do at least 50 a day, sometimes 100. Mostly I do it in late afternoon, early evening, but I'm going to start trying to do 50 in the morning and 50 in late afternoon when I'm, winding down for the day. So that's how you end and sell similar, refresh your listings, and things to watch out for, including updating your item specifics. I hope you found this video helpful. Check out our channel, Avante-Avenue, and thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Vicki with Avante-Avenue, and Mark and I will see you soon. Simple sales for good profit.